Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove files from a Claude project. So let's say you have a Claude project and need to make some edits to the reference files that the project is using. It's pretty easy and it's as easy as uploading it. So I'm going to go over to the projects tab, which you can access here on the left hand side of your screen, and then go to the project you want to edit the files for. So here, as you can see, I currently have a production guide uploaded to the project files. And to remove that, all I have to do is click on this small box at the bottom right of the icon of the item that I want to remove. And as you can see, there's going to be a delete button that shows up. So go ahead and click that. And now the project file should have successfully been removed. So if you go ahead and look at our chat, you can see I asked it earlier, what production guide do you currently have access to? It references the one that I just deleted. If I ask it that same question again, we should see that it does not have any project files within its memory. There we go. There are actually no files in the project right now, etc, etc. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.